Yeah, every now and then there's a little bit of innovation regarding Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And so of course the question is also here, what kind of innovation do we have here with this YUHUO CarPlay adapter? And we definitely have it, but I'm going to show you everything in detail later. So make sure that you're watching till the very end of the video. Of course, I have to admit that I got it for free from the manufacturer to show you all the really nice details, but it's still my honest opinion because I would never claim something which is not true. So what do we get here? We get the instructions manual with the QR code, but it's very simple to be used. We get also some accessories here, and that's the USB-C to USB-A host adapter. It's basically an adapter if your car uses USB-C instead of standard USB-A for the connection. Standard is USB-A, but some cars are using USB-C instead, or some even support both. And then you have just basically an extension, which can also be very helpful. By the way, we do not only get USB-C extension, but we get also USB-A extension. That's something which we usually don't see. If you get some extensions, then it's usually just USB-C to A and not A to A. So definitely huge plus here. And then we get the dongle itself, and watch how nice this looks here. Absolutely fantastic, beautiful, stylish, full metal here on the side, which works as a really nice heat sink to dissipate the heat. And there can be a lot of heat in such adapters, so it's definitely a great plus that we have this design. And what I also like is how flat this is, super low profile. The old style usually have been looking like a USB stick sticking really far out, and then when you hit them accidentally, this could either destroy the dongles or damage the ports. So that's much better here. Of course, we also have this protection here, so we can remove that, and then it looks even much better. And so it's super easy to use. We just need an iPhone or an Android phone. Turn it on, make sure that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on. And so we plug it in down here. Just push it here inside, and then you will see a light here. It's flashing red and green, and so I guess it's ready to be connected. And so we go to the Bluetooth settings and search for new devices. And so I found this smart box here, clicking on connect or pairing, always checking the screen if there's something going on. Also check for additional messages. If it doesn't work right away, just try a couple of times. Now I have it here, says pairing with smart box, and then it gives a code. Very important here, of course, you can't enter the code here. There's also no display, no nothing, so we just click on pair. And also a few tips if you can't get a connection right away. Doesn't have to be a problem of the dongle. Can also be an issue with your phone or compatibility of your car. So first thing, of course, very important to check the notifications. If your phone is trying really to connect to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, then also make sure that you're not using a VPN on your phone, and also make sure that your phone has been connected to your car using a wired connection before you're using a wireless connection for the first time. By the way, also very important to check the light on the adapter. When it's green, then it's set up for CarPlay. When it's blue, then it's set up for Android Auto. And so here in my case, it says Smartbox connected for calls. And so I have the Android Auto now active here. By the way, of course, this is not my location. I just moved it around. So this is not private information. And so you can see how nicely this works. I can move this thing around. I can even zoom in, zoom out, use basically all the functions, even using voice assistant. Navigate me to Starbucks.
Starbucks coffee 0.6 miles away. Navigate to that one.
Yeah, definitely worked. But of course, we also have a ton of other apps. All the apps I've installed on my phone and which are compatible with Android Auto, they are showing up here. A lot of messaging, information, weather, sports, ton of different navigation, ton of different things. Can even watch the winter storm approaching here directly on the screen. That's absolutely fantastic. So I get everything what I need here. And it works really fast. Absolutely no lags visible here, as you can see. And I can also use the control here on the steering wheel, like volume up, volume down, some other stuff here. And so because of this super modern, beautiful style here, this looks like almost built into the car. This is absolutely fantastic. Definitely the most beautiful CarPlay Android Auto dongle I've ever seen. And the heat dissipation definitely works. I can feel it's not hot. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. Definitely the best dongle I've ever had here. And so full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested in this YUHUO CarPlay Android Auto dongle, then you can find the link to the Amazon listing down in the description of the video. So you can check it out, or the one for you if you like. Could also be a great gift for somebody who doesn't have CarPlay or Android Auto wireless built into the car. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this dongle, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.